anyway. It's probably cause I get they bitches wetter anyway. It's probably cause I'm living in there in a lower place.
Look, so me and my guy Liam that y'all seen in the Pizza Hut video is just in the car vibing, right? I'm starting to settle down. I'm starting to find me a girl, bro. Like, you know what I mean? I got me a girl, bro. I'm trying to be with her, bro. Can you tell the audience what you just said?
That's a mistake, bro. You too young. You gotta be living your life.
This fool,
You
bro.
don't gotta settle down yet.
Bro, this
live your life.
I'm making a mistake, bro. It's not a mistake, bro.
Whoa. 18-year-old girls 18, 19, they don't know what they want. They don't know, bro. They're still figuring stuff out. You don't know what you want.
Bro,
you're too young.
Bro, I do know what I want, bro.
I'm running this yellow light. It's on film.
Bro, I want her, bro. It is on film, though. It is on film, though. That shit red, though. That shit red, though.
I just broke the law.
We at Chipotle.
We at Chipotle now.
This the spots. Y'all gonna see this a lot in the vlogs now. Since I am doing this Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Pull up and shoot us, bro.
I vlogged yesterday, but I forgot to continue it from yesterday, so.
So you finna make up for it because nobody watches your vlogs.
Bro, the vlog that I posted already got 50-something views, and the channel only got like 30 subs.
Well, you posted a vlog today?
I posted one yesterday.
Oh, you posted it
on my second channel, but not the clip that I recorded yesterday.
Okay. I was trying to figure out. Well,
that clip will be in this vlog that comes out on Friday. You know what I mean? Because I do Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. Just like Jake. I mean, not Jake Paul, Logan Paul. You know.
Logan Paul. Just like Logan Paul.
But yeah, today we finna head.
You making Logan Paul money?
Hey, maybe one day.
One day.
We finna go to our spot, aka Chipotle, as always.
You know the spot, a little unknown, a little up and coming. I don't know if y'all got Chipotle where you from.
Yeah, well, no, y'all got Chipotle, but you know we got Chipotle.
Yeah, we got Chipotle. Y'all might be in like India or something, but they don't got Chipotle here.
What if they do though?
I don't know. I've never been to India.
So update, Chipotle was packed, bro. We cannot go to Chipotle, bro. That shit was packed, bro. That shit was beyond packed. That shit was going all the way around the store, bro. So we just gonna go somewhere else, and I'll update y'all when we get there.
It's probably cause I'm doing better than them anyway. It's probably cause I get they bitches wetter anyway. It's probably cause I'm living in there in a lower place. They're walking in their songs while I'm vibing out of space.
I just started vlogging, actually.
Follow me. Go follow my YouTube.
Look at this nigga, bro. Somebody roast his ass in the comment section, bro. Somebody
look at his fat head ass. Look at that fat head. Hey, fat head, come here.
Hey. Let him get back, bro. Damn. Get back, bro. So this nigga got him a channel. I didn't even know.
Yeah, dude. I'm undercover in Little Rock.
Oh God, hey, bro. I feel him though, cause I don't be telling a lot of people about my shit unless I know that you're a YouTuber or something, bro. But this nigga over here looking at me while I'm recording, and I'm about to expose him in a second. And you can all stare at me. But record this drunk. For sure. They already know who he is.
Why you gotta expose my business?
He was already in one of my YouTube videos anyway. I'm actually finna share the video that me and him did. Hold on, y'all. Niggas is crazy, bro. Look at this man, Liam, bro.
No, hell no, y'all got some.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Hey, crazy leg challenge. Look at that.
I can't even do that. I can't even do that shit, bro. Nigga, this is the most I can go, bro. This is the most I can go.
Nah, nigga, it's the most I can go. It's the ankles, bro.
Look at this big ass dude trying to do that shit, bro. He just came, bro. He came, bro. Come on, Dan Torian. Bro, what you do to it, bro? Okay, this nigga got a muffler delete. Hold on. Thumbnail. Give me a second.
Wait.
Yes, sir. You heard him, bro. He got the muffler delete done on his shit, bro. He got the muffler delete done, bro. Bro, this man got a muffler delete on his car, bro, and that shit is really loud, bro.
Why you opening?
He not backing out all the way.
He ain't going out.
Rev him up.
I'm gonna give a student Patriot sticker.
That car is good.
You know they're gonna do something right. You gonna try to drive off fast.
Gun it, bro. Hit the gas, bro.
You can let the window down so we can hear.
Hit the gas.
Not loud as I thought it was.
It's probably cause I'm doing better than them anyway. It's probably cause I get they bitches wetter anyway. It's probably cause I'm living in there in a lower place.